box. Ayan. Isa na naman. Salad Master. Ayan. So, tingnan natin kung ano laman ito, guys. Kasama pong dinilivers ng Salad Master noong isang araw. Unahin natin itong so, ito yung kanyang takip. Uy! Malaki siya. This is bigger than the other one. Ayan. So, malaki siya. Ito ay ang Salad Master Electric Oil Core Skillet. Ayan. So, malaki siya, guys, kesa sa una kong in-unbox. Ayan. So, this is the big one. Yoo-hoo! And we have the unlimited lifetime warranty. Ayan. Iingatan nyo po ang inyong Salad Master set, guys, kasi sayang naman, kamahal-mahal, tapos kuntil-kuntilan or magasgasan. So, you have to take care of it also, guys. Kasi ang warranty ay meron lang siyang limited na warranty. Like, for example, hindi siya nababagsak. Pag naluma lang siya at maraming gasgas, pwedeng palitan. Pero yung nabagsak, ibinato mo pag nagalit ka. Huwag ko naman sanang may bato kasi sobrang bigat nito, guys. Pag may bato mo ito, my God, look at that. Very heavy. Hindi lang bukol abutin ng mababato mo yan. Mahihimatay na talaga. So, ayan. Ay! Ayan, nahulog na tuloy talaga. So, ito rin yung kanyang timer and temperature na ipa-plug in mo. Ayan, this is electric, guys. So, ito siya. Dito ay pwede kang magprito ng kahit na ano. Pwede, guys, magluto ka ng pansit dito. And you don't need oil. Takpan mo lang. And then, kapag after 20 minutes, ay medyo bubuksan mo na yung kanyang takip para maging crispy yung niluluto mo. Ayun siya, guys. So, this is the Salad Master Electric Oil Core Skillet. Ito siya. Yan. Kagaya ng sinabi ko, you will just put the chicken kapag magpiprito ka, no oil. Wala kayong gagamiting oil. Kasi, yung ipiprito nyo, magkusang mag-oil na yon. So, aalisin niya yung oil. Ayan. So, non-sticky rin siya, guys. Non-stick. Sa demonstration, nakita ko yung pagpiprito and hindi siya dumidikit. So, napakaganda, guys. And, take note, you don't need oil when you use this skillet. Ayan, guys. Marami kang pwedeng lutuin dito. So, very useful. This is the Salad Master Electric Oil Core Skillet. Ayan, guys. Makakaluto ka ng pansit dito for just 8 minutes. So, ang laki ng matitipid mo talaga. And, kapag nagprito ka rin, for just 20 minutes yung una, and then balik rin mo for another 20 minutes. That's it. Thank you very much for watching us sa Adventures and Travel. Ayan, guys. Ito ulit, mas malaki ito kaysa sa dati. Pero yung isa naman ay mas mataas siya. Yung MP5 is medyo mas mataas siya, pero mas maliit lang. Pero ito kasi, pwede kang magluto rin ng pansit dito. Or kahit anong lutuin mo, pwede ka rin mag-bake ng cake. So yun lang, guys. Thank you very much again for watching us on Adventures and Travel. And kapag mag-refer po kayo, meron kayong mga free items na makukuha from Salad Master. So just leave a message, your comment, kung gusto nyo magpa-demo sa inyong bahay. Then we will be doing the demonstration in your house. We will bring all the things that needs for cooking. And of course, we will bring our Salad Master cooking set para makita nyo po kung paano ito gamitin and yung differences by using other pots instead of using the Salad Master. Okay? So, that's it, guys. I hope may refer po kayo for demonstration and we're willing to go. Okay? Thank you. God bless and mabuhay.